Now let's talk about the ACT feature, or anti-chatter technology. It's a patented feature on Hunter on-car lathes, and you can hear it, it's operating right now. It may sound like there's something wrong with this lathe, but actually it's functioning perfectly. What it's doing, it's varying the speed of the spindle up and down, and it's continuing to change it all the time. Why does it do that? Well, if you think about it, if you're holding a crystal glass in your hand that has some water in it, if you lick your finger and you run it around at just the right speed, it's going to start to sing or chatter. Well, that same thing's going to happen if we're cutting a brake rotor at just the right speed or wrong speed. It's going to start to sing and vibrate and destroy the finish of that rotor. So back to our crystal glass now, if we continue to change the speed of our finger on that glass, faster, slower, it will never sing, or in this case, never chatter. Therefore, we don't have to worry about that. We're always going to get good surface finish, and we don't have to mess with chatter bands or the little clamp that hangs onto the rotor to try to prevent it from vibrating. Now, we do have the ability to turn off ACT. You can see it's running right here with that little green heartbeat. I can turn it off, and it's going to run at a continuous speed. There aren't many times when you ever want to do that. The only time I can think of that you want to do that is likely when you're dealing with a locking differential, like on the Chevy Colorado, that we want to stay below a very specific speed. Other than that, I would recommend that you leave that on all the time. It comes on by default. It's going to help you do a better job. Just leave it on all the time. So to summarize, ACT is going to make it easier because we're not going to have to mess with chatter bands or the little clamp. It's also going to do a better job because we don't have to worry about the surface finish issues that are caused by chatter on the rotor.